Good morning. It's 6 o'clock. I'm Priya Mann.
And I'm Grant Herms. Thanks for joining us this morning on Local 4 Today. So I walked to work this morning. We talked about that, and I thought the rain was over, and it mostly was. But by the time I got here, which is just a few blocks, I was like, oh, I'm a little wet.
Yeah, it's a little sticky out there.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah.
Andrew, will we see that humidity subside at all?
Well, fortunately, there will not be a repeat of the severe weather that we talked about last night at 11 o'clock and shortly after midnight. And yes, it will be a little bit damp, and you can feel the humidity still in the atmosphere. There's a chance of showers later today, but nothing as heavy as what we've seen within the past 12 hours. You can see those thunderstorms as they race through. Much of the activity is now gone, but we have some leftover drizzle, leftover cloudiness, and some reports of some wind damage. You can see that down here right in Dundee, where there were reports of winds up to around 50 or 60 miles per hour and reports of trees down near US 23. And look at the amount of rain that fell. Fortunately, it's looking like we had a healthy dose, although we are going to see a stretch of dry weather starting with today. You can see as much as 1 to 2 inches in these areas of green and yellow. So let's get to today's forecast. Again, we'll see mostly cloudy skies. We'll see a couple of sprinkles as we go through this morning, and then a shower or two may pop up in the afternoon because the atmosphere is still a bit unstable, but it will not be a washout for today. And it still gets warmer. Temperatures right now are in the upper 60s to about 70. We'll see 79 at noon, 85 for a high at 4 o'clock. But by 4 p.m., there'll be a couple of scattered showers that pop up. 69 right now as we look live at downtown Detroit. Looking a little murky for now, but it clears up just a little for today. It clears up a lot tomorrow. We'll talk about that and where temperatures go from here coming up.